One hot summer day, in a bustling city in India, there lived two siblings, studying in a school, Ria in class 5, and Aryan in class 2. In class, Ria was being taught a lesson about money. Ria understands, money is used to buy anything that we need, but she was amazed to know how money is earned. Till now she was thinking, Papa visits bank ATM, puts his card in the machine, and withdraws money for use. Learning about the concept of earning money, she decided to have some practical experience, for which she will discuss with Papa in the evening. In the evening she discussed the same with her father Ravi. Ravi appreciated the idea, and understood it's time to start a financial literacy journey for kids. Finally, it was planned to set up a lemonade stand outside their apartment building sidewalks on upcoming Sunday and learn how money is earned. The lemonade stall outside the apartment was a good idea, but now Ria was confused. What should be the price of one glass of lemonade? She thought of 4 options. 1. Free. 2. Rupees 5. 3rd. Rupees 10. 4th. Rupees 25. On discussion, Ravi explained the concept of pricing to kids. First option, free is not a good option, since Ria is not planning for social service, and anything given free is not valued and adds wastage. The second option, too cheap price of the product, adds suspicion of low quality, hence rupees 5 is also discarded. Third option, intermediate price of rupees 10, seems fine with balance of value and quality, it will surely attract customers. The last option, too expensive price of the product, is also rejected by customers, since it is much higher priced than the value offered, so rupees 25 is also discarded. Finally Ria decided the planned price of lemonade glass to be rupees 10 per glass. Ria was excited to start her lemonade stall and earn money. Aryan, on the other hand, was just excited about making lemonade and selling it to people passing by. Aryan made a colorful poster at home that read, "Fresh lemonade, only rupees 10. With this, kids were ready to start their lemonade selling adventure. At Guru School, this was our first step towards learning finance, an easy way through age-old Indian concept, learning with fun through short stories. To get similar videos and understand how money works, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Guru School. We will bring chapter 2 of the series shortly. Till then, remember key lessons from today's chapter. Anything given free is not valued and adds wastage. Too cheap price of the product adds suspicion of low quality. Too expensive price of the product is also rejected by the customer, since it is much higher priced than the value offered. Price with fine balance of value and quality is able to attract customers. Everyone in the family was eagerly waiting for Sunday. Let us meet again at Ria's stall and learn a new concept in chapter 2 on our path of financial literacy. In the meantime, we will prepare for our next lesson. We are hopeful you liked our first video in English on this financial education series, How Money Works. Please like, comment, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel Guru School and stay connected with us. Till then, happy learning.